Ayan, okay na ba? Yes, I know, right? Hindi ako mapagpatugtog. Sorry kung timing ng live ko. Wala kasi yung mga kausap ko. Well, 12 ako matulog, ikaw. Later pa. Maybe 1 or... Hi, Annie. Bakit hindi kita ma-invite? Follow nga kita. Follow back mo nga ako. Hindi kita ma-invite, girl. Dapat invite kita kanina eh. Kaso hindi kita ma-invite. Try nga natin. Thank you, Godspeed. Chubby or payat, be? Petit po talaga. See? Do I look chubby? Thank you, Luke. Thank you, guys. Is Flip still here? O ba si Flip? Ay, Flip. Yan ka pa pala. So, kailan ka babalik here? You're simple yet so gorgeous. Thank you. Oh, I'm still present. When ka babalik? Like, exact date? Is it 12? January 12? I'm chilling mood. Oh, January 16 to February 16. Hmm. Should come here in Manila. Our festa is on January 30 to February 1. Should come. It's so fun. Love mo ba? Hi. Hi, love mo ba ako? What festival is that? Fiesta. It's like sa mga barangay lang siya ganun. Something like that. Have you tried joining Festa before? It's like a Catholic, ano kasi. I don't know. But it's fun. I'll be in Iloilo. Oh, Dinangyan Festival! Wow. That's so fun. May baka, may baka baka ma-mute kita. Charot. I wanted to go to Cebu for Sinulog, but I think I'll miss it. Me too! I want to go to Cebu, pero I've never been to. Maybe someday. Shower muna ako. Okay, go. Para bang nag-a-update lang siya, guys. Tara, let's go. Sure! Pero, need to buy tickets na. So we can go to Cebu. I have a friend in Cebu. When ba yung festival? Not sure kasi anong month yun eh. Sa Cebu. Thank you for liking po. Ba't ako lang to? January 18! But I have class January 19. Sayang. January 18 pala yun. Don't know. Sayang. Nakakainis. Pwede bang sabihin na lang i-move for me? Nakakainis naman.